If you have a Philips Google TV and you can't screen mirror your iPhone to the TV in any way because it doesn't show up in the device list, then let me show you how easily you can screencast any iPhone to your Philips Smart TV without needing Airplay. To screen share your iPhone, as usual, we'll start with making sure that your iPhone and the TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi. After that, as your Philips Google TV doesn't have Airplay, you'll need to install a simple app from your TV's Google Play Store. So ask Google Assistant to open Play Store. Then, the app that we're going to search for is Air Mirror. This is the app that we're looking for. Now don't worry because there's no login needed, there's no ad or subscription, and it's totally free. So let's hit install. And after it's finished installing, let's open it. And here's our AirPlay option. On the right, you'll be able to see your TV name that will pop up on the list, and you can leave the other options untouched. Now we're ready to start screen mirroring. So let's grab our iPhone, open the control center and launch screen mirroring. And as you can see, here's your TV with the same name that you're seeing on the app. And from here, the process is just the same. Tap on your TV and the mirroring will begin. As you can see, it's very responsive and there's no lag whatsoever. So now you can start streaming or play games on your iPhone with the help of your Philips TV's big screen. And don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to our channel to support us, and I'll see you in the next one.